Holy moly. This is a little bit steeper than that last one.
I know.
That's okay. Whew. Are we exhausted yet? Okay. Hey, we're going to the ocean, y'all, in case you're wondering. We might make it. We might not. Oh,
Beautiful. Go for it.
okay. Mrs. C, dogs prohibited south. Dogs allowed that way. Whew. Holy moly. All right, there's the ocean, y'all. Good morning, everyone, from Lagoon Campground near Florence, Oregon. We've been here for a night. We got here yesterday. It's a beautiful little campground. There are several trails around here. I suffered the walk to the beach yesterday and I forgot the camera, but today we're going to do, I think it's the Lagoon Trail. We got to keep our eyes out for cougars in the area. Mrs. C has got Bruno on her back so that he doesn't tempt the cougars. Tempting the cougars. Anyway, we're going to take a walk. We're going to see what we can see. We have got a beautiful camp spot. It's got a humongous backyard, so we're extremely happy with it. We're going to head down here to the Lagoon Trail and take a walk. Keep our eye open for big cats, bears, and other creepy crawlies of that nature. And we're going to see what we can see. Mrs. C, how you doing this morning?
Marvelous.
What do you think about this little campground?
I love it. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It's a National Forest campground on the Oregon coast. We're going to stay at 2 or 3 of these along our way as we travel up the Oregon coast, and then we're going to head inland before we get to Portland over and head over to Bend and check that place out. But for right now, we're just going to take a little hike. So y'all come along. I'm going to turn this off till we get to the campground, to the trailhead, and we'll see y'all from there. Right?
Correct.
Bruno, how are you doing this morning?
Say wonderful.
Wonderful. So this is the trailhead for, this is the Lagoon Trail. There should be a posting here. There's one at the other one. We have this to deal with, which is 6/14/23. That's been a week. He's had plenty of time to leave. We're going on this trail right here, Lagoon Trail. You are here, which is right here. And we're going to do the loop around the trail, the campground, and then we'll decide, let Mrs. C decide what else we do from there. Anyway, ready?
I am ready.
Lead on, trail guide.
Go for it.
Oh, wait a minute, she's giving me the lead. This is not good.
So you can see the flower.
I saw the flower. I took pictures of it yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Pointed it out for your benefit.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
There she goes, y'all. That's better. Keep your eye open for cougars, Mrs. C.
Hopefully we won't see you.
Hopefully we won't. This is the Lagoon Trail. I have no idea how long it is. Don't really care. It's just a beautiful trail, beautiful walk. We'll be turning right up here, Mrs. C. Now, if we go left, you can go left if you want to. There's a bench out there to sit on, and it actually goes out to the road over to the Syracuse Trail, which we might do after lunch. Who knows? But right now, we're doing this one.
Boy, this is well maintained.
Mrs. C is in stepping mode today, y'all.
Look how well this is
Had a heck of a time keeping up with her. Yes, it's a beautiful little trail. The lagoon is out there. It's got water in it. It had water in it yesterday. I think it ebbs and flows with the tides and all that good stuff.
I hear the
Fills and
ocean.
here's the ocean. Like I said, I walked out there yesterday, y'all. It's a short walk, But it's on sand, loose sand, the whole dadgum way. 3/4 of a mile out and 3/4 back. And it dang near killed me. But, and of course, there's no dogs allowed right now because there's some kind of weird little bird that's nesting out there right now. So, can't have dogs on the beach out there. So, we opted for this short little trail. And we may go up to the Silk Coos Trail. I think that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. Chief Silk Coos. Something like that. After this one. We'll let Mrs. C make that call. Because she is... Did you just spit?
I tried to.
She just spit, y'all. Did you see that? It was on camera. Good job. What'd you do, swallow a bug? Oh, that was too funny, y'all. Anyway, there's lots of wildlife. There's these black cardinal looking birds out here that are absolutely beautiful. Got the gnome cam going now, Mrs. C. Heck, we're almost to the end of the trail already.
Oh, wow.
Well, I know, but when you sprint like a thoroughbred racehorse, it kind of...
Long legs.
Don't give me the long legs. She says I have short little gnome legs, y'all. That's not even funny. I got the gnome cam going now. That's what she calls it when I put the camera down here. Apparently it bounces like there's a little gnome following me. Either that or she's calling me a gnome. I'm not sure which, but... Anyway. The mighty jungle. We're going to continue on, y'all. We've crossed the road. I didn't record the campground. We're going to, I don't know where this goes. I didn't come down this one yesterday. I said these are all short little trails, so. Dang, it's a, see that big old slug? Mrs. C said I can record. This is a slug, y'all. I'm not sure what kind of slug it is. Put your foot down there, Mrs. C. Look at the size of that thing, y'all. It's huge. Nice socks, Mrs. C.
Thank you.
Just got attacked in the ear by a mosquito.
At least it didn't hit you in the mouth.
Yeah. All right. Giant slugs, y'all. We're in the land of giant slugs. Walking across. Somebody out there fishing. I don't know how far up the road it is to the next trail, but we're going to find out, huh? This is where I came to yesterday. And I stopped and turned around. Lagoon. Little bitty bridge. See, that's the road right up there. If you go to the left, that's the something trail. It goes out to the beach. We want to go to the right.
Is it the wax myrtle?
Wax myrtle. That's good. Very good. She's reading signs, y'all. That ain't right. But we're going to the right. And we're going to follow this down the road a little bit because there's another trail down here. Not very far, I don't think. Or until Mrs. C says we're done, and then we're going to stop. Because that's how this channel works, y'all.
No, it doesn't.
The boss lady says we're done. We are done. Right up here over this little thing right here, that's the road. So we're walking beside the road, and it don't even look like we're beside the road, does it, y'all? That's exciting. Woo! Mrs. C has made the decision. She's comfortable with our choice now. We are crossing the road again. Going on the Silk Coos Trail, I believe is the name of it. Another little short loop. But it's getting us some exercise this morning. And some jungle time. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Huh. Bruno's eyeballing it. He don't like this close in stuff. All right, the loop begins. Which way you want to start? All right, Mrs. C says we're going to the left. How does Mrs. C feel about this up close and personal jungle stuff?
Not real sure about it. I'm with Bruno.
Honey, you're not that tall. I know you're a ½ inch taller than me, but you're not tall enough to scrape your head on those limbs. Siltcoos Trail, I think. Chief Siltcoos. Chief T-S-I-L, I don't know. Something like that. We have our mountain clogging shoes on this morning, y'all. What do you keep looking down there for?
I hear something.
Oh, what do you hear?
I don't know.
Mrs. E hears something, y'all.
I'm looking.
We're still in cougar country.
I hope I don't see one.
What are you gonna do if you do?
Run.
You don't run. Did you not read the instructions on confronting cougars? What do you think about this little trail? I think this is prettier than the other one.
It is.
I can't believe how well maintained these are. This is a lot of walking. Yep. So we're going to be at Lagoon Campground tonight, tomorrow night. We got a 3-day stay here. And then Thursday we're headed down the road about 2 miles to Carter Lake, another Oregon Coast Beach, Oregon Dunes National Recreation Area campground, and we're gonna stay there till Monday. And after that, we're gonna head up the coast, get out of so much of the vegetation, jungle stuff, and get into the rocky cliff areas, the true Oregon coast. We're going to Cape Perpetua. We're gonna stay there for 4 days. Do some sightseeing and looking around some stuff in that area. And after that, I don't remember, I didn't look. The trail we're on is not even showing up on all trails, so we're just gonna, Mrs. C said we're going to the right. To the right it is. I mean, it all looks like well-worn trails. Worst that'll happen is we'll run into the ocean because we walked too far the wrong way. What, darling?
The ocean
stairs in the middle of nowhere. That's pretty cool, huh? Well, if you stand in one spot too long, and I didn't put on any bug stuff today. Our campground is really nice. We don't have a lot of bug issues out there. And this is freaking awesome back in here. Feel like we're in a tropical jungle, darling. Oh, that's where we started.
Yes.
Look at that, y'all. My trail guide has pulled us through again. She is the most amazing trail guide. Follow her anywhere, y'all. I'll follow her anywhere. All right, the decision has been made because we did not bring Bruno's leash, which is on both of us. We got a short leash that we keep usually in his backpack, but for some reason we've taken it out. I don't know if it's me took it out or Mrs. C took it out. Anyway, somebody took it out, and he doesn't have it with him, so we can't go to the beach because he can't free run on the beach. It's a big no-no. So we're gonna head back to the campground, probably fix up some PB&Js, some Doritos, have some lunch, kick back for the rest of the day. Mrs. C, you got anything else to say before I sign us out?
I do not.
She had an awesome hike, her and Bruno. Bruno's lost about 5 pounds, so that's helping her a little bit. He won't ride on my back, y'all, is the reason I don't carry him. He does not, he will fight me the entire way. Mrs. C says it's because my body temperature is too hot for him. So I don't, you can take that how you want. But anyway, he refuses to ride on in the backpack with me. So she takes him. He's lost 5 pounds, which is helpful. It's not a bad 5 pounds. He's just out of his puppy stage a little bit. So anyway, he's doing good. We're doing good. And we're about to cross the road. And at the crosswalk, Mrs. C. And we're gonna head back to the campground. This is the lagoon, y'all. I keep looking for Swamp Thing, but he hasn't showed up yet. We keep looking for Bigfoot too, and he hasn't showed up either. Mrs. C just walked right on by, so I gotta go. Bye.